I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log in on GroupMe. For that, open up your GroupMe app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of sign in. Tap on it. You can sign in with Microsoft, Facebook, email or your phone number. Here I'm going to sign in with my email. After that, enter your email address or your phone number and then type in your password. After you're done, tap on continue. To sync your contact with GroupMe, tap on sync. If you want your device to save password, tap on save password. This way you can easily log in on GroupMe. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.